people. We are at the Comfort Inn in Orange, Virginia, Orange, Montpelier. We are going to go upstairs and take a look at a hotel room since we are staying here. Today we have a Schindler to ride. With a very nice motor at that. Since we're doing a hotel tour, we're just going to use the built-in mic. We are right here in room 224. And this room we're going to tour today, up, you gotta put the key card this way, I guess. This room we're going to tour today is a 2-queen bedroom. As with most modern hotels and motels, interior corridor. And off to your left, you have a closet here. It's actually a pretty big closet, complete with an ironing board and iron. Then you go over here to the left, you have a bathroom, along with some big old cups that we're going to be giving away here, or may have already done by the time we have this video. There's the sink, got plenty of light for shaving in this one. See, is the toilet clean? Looks like they replaced the toilet. You can see where an old toilet used to be. So yeah, obviously this toilet is a replacement, and it is I'm not sure what kind this is. This one actually has a bathtub. The last Comfort Inn we stayed at did not have a bathtub and just had a stand-up shower. Speaking of shower, let's check the shower pressure. Definitely adequate. The water pressure in this building is adequate. So if you look at this, that's turned a little crooked, but still works fine. Now we're going to go into the main room of the hotel. There's another mirror. You have a place for your grip right here. We have a Philips flat screen TV today, and this is actually a rather large TV. There's your microwave, and in here, we have a refrigerator with some of our food in it. No freezer compartment. Here is a table, which you can use as a workstation, along with another mirror here. Here's the HVAC unit, which is controlled by a thermostat on the wall. And here you have a chair, and there's the beds. And over there on the wall, you can see the thermostat. We have one nightstand here, just one. There is no Bible or phone book in there, which I find interesting. And there is a Zach. Just being himself. So, how's the bed, by the way?
Kind of hard.
So it's firm? Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm sitting on it. It is firm. But the question about this is it clean? Under the sheet is clean. What on earth? Oh, they have a mattress, a cover. Clean, clean. No hair on this bed. And the mattress itself, let's see, is this a zipper thing? If it's a zipper thing, I'm not going to bother with it. Yeah, it's like zippered on, but everything under this bed is clean so far, so no hair either.
That would have been a disaster.
Yep, no hair either. There's no hair on this either. Let's check the other bed.
Double the room.
Clean, no stains, no. This one doesn't have any hair. Oh, this one actually can get the bare mattress.
Oh, that's weird.
This one clean, no hair, no stains. This hotel is clean.
What are you looking at?
It's got some label. This label at foot of bed, July, August. Okay, that's interesting.
Oh, like you turn your mattress.
I guess they turn the mattresses. So yeah. How much did we pay for this room? 80 something?
Yeah, 90.
$90. This.
It is a Sunday night
Definitely not a weekend.
So this is a look at this room, and this is a better value than we paid last night. And I think it's slightly cleaner. So with that being said, I guess that'll be it.
Bye.
The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.